Welcome to IndianShareTips.com, and today we are discussing the stock State Bank of India. This is one of the best stocks in public sector units, and one cannot ignore this stock if one is trading in Bank Nifty. Anytime you are under a doubt that whether Bank Nifty will perform or not, have a look at the SBI. If Bank Nifty has not been performing and SBI results are nearby, then mark our words, then it is going to be a trigger for Bank Nifty options to perform. We have come up with this video to discuss what is the right price to buy SBI stock presently, and here we are discussing the entry price for the long-term trader and for intraday trader. We have also discussed the likely targets. As a long-term trader, remember that you do not have to commit your complete capital in one go. Always divide the capital in 2 to 3 tranches and enter accordingly. If we have identified a good stock and it starts moving, enter, let's say, 30% capital at the beginning and thereafter scale up by another, say, 30%, and final scale up can be with 40% or so. Similarly, if you have identified a good stock and if it falls, initial capital 30%, second fall you can go for 25%, and third fall you can go for balance 45%. So this way you will be able to get the best price for your investment. So let's have a look at the stock SBI, which is as of now gone in the downtrend. Moment SBI has broken a price line of 415 rupees, it means that it has gone in a downtrend for intraday trading. So do not enter in this stock unless it starts moving up above 415 for intraday trading. However, the same stock remains good for long-term investment. So as a long-term trader, you can look to buy in SBI near, say, 400 levels. If this 400 level is broken, then you can buy another 25%, say somewhere near 375 levels, and commit balance 45% of the capital if it falls near 329. These are 3 levels. Chances of falling to 329 remains remote, so you can be rest assured that you are in a good stock with sound fundamentals and can invest in this stock with a long-term view for a target of 460 to 500 levels. Remember that you can get benefited with us using our Bank Nifty option tips, as it requires a lot of monitoring and we have a dedicated teams who are looking after the Bank Nifty option. And if you like our video, remember to share it and subscribe to the channel and spread the word. They say that sharing is caring, and we look forward to your association with us. In case you want us to do some video on any specific video, you can leave the same in the comment box and we will try to fulfill your requirements. Thank you.